Hello students. Today is 15th of April 2021 and the day is Thursday. This video is for class 5 subject English grammar. Chapter number 1. Alphabetical order, or we can say that the dictionary also. Because we know that all words in the dictionary are written in alphabetical order. So the question is, what is alphabet? What is alphabet? A set of letters in a fixed order that you use when you are writing a language. A set of letters in a fixed order that you use when you are writing a language. So children, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. The big letters are called capital letters and the small letters are called small letters. Out of 26 letters, 5 letters are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels in the English alphabet: A, E, I, O, U. And the other letters in the alphabet like B, C, D, F, G, etc. are called consonants.
अल्फ़ाबेट एक निश्चित क्रम में लिखे गए अक्षरों का सेट होता है जिसे हम लिखते समय उपयोग करते हैं।
Words are formed by these letters. Words are formed by these letters. With the help of these letters, we can form words. But a word must have a meaning. For example, D-O-G, dog, O-G-D. Do these group of letters make sense? No, they don't make sense. So we can say that O-G-D group of letters is not a word. Means a group of letters without meaning is not a word. Look at the following letters: M N O, C T O, O O D. Do these group of letters make sense? No, they don't make sense. So we can say that these group of letters are not words. They are just letters.
ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स को हमें ऐसे फॉर्म करना होता है जिससे कि वह वर्ड यानी शब्द बन जाए। हर एक शब्द का कोई ना कोई अर्थ ज़रूर होता है। यदि किसी ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स का कोई अर्थ नहीं निकलता है जिसका मतलब है कि वह कोई शब्द नहीं है, उसे हम शब्द नहीं कहेंगे। लाइक O-G-D, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है और इसे अगर हम एक फॉर्म में लिखते हैं लाइक D-O-G, तो ये डॉग बन गया। इसका मतलब है कि D-O-G एक वर्ड है, शब्द है। O-G-D कोई वर्ड नहीं है, उसका कोई मतलब नहीं निकल रहा है।
Students, a dictionary presents the words in alphabetical order. This makes it easier for us to find the meanings of the words. A dictionary presents the words in alphabetical order. This makes it easier for us to find the meanings of the words. Telephone directories and encyclopedias arrange names and entries in alphabetical order.
डिक्शनरी में हर एक शब्द अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में प्रस्तुत किए जाते हैं। डिक्शनरी में हर एक शब्द अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में प्रस्तुत किए जाते हैं जिससे कि हमें किसी भी शब्द का अर्थ खोजने में आसानी हो। टेलीफोन डायरेक्टरीज और एनसाइक्लोपीडियाज़ में भी नामों और जो भी एंट्रीज होते हैं वे अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में ही अरेंज होते हैं।
So the question is, write in alphabetical order the names of any four, and the words are friends, colors, animals and countries. We have to write it in alphabetical order. So first we see that A, animals. The word animals starts with the letter A, and we know that letter A comes first in the alphabet. So we will write first animals. Done? Thereafter we will find, is there any word which starts with the letter B? No, there is no word which starts with the letter B. Is there any words which starts with the letter C? Yes, there are two words which starts with the letter C, colors and countries. If we see these two letters, colors and countries, we cannot say that which come first. Now see, starting two letters CO, starting two letters CO are common in both words. If we see the letter CO, we cannot say that which come first. Then we will see the letter third. So third letter is L. In the word colors, third letter is L. And in the word countries, third letter is U. The number of L in the alphabet is 12, and in the alphabet the number of U is 21. Which come first, 12 or 21? 12 means L comes first in the alphabet. Now we can say that colors, after animals, after the word animals, colors word come second. Animals, then colors. Thereafter we will write countries. And which one is left? Friends. Then you can write friends. These are the sequence. These are the sequence in alphabetical order. Now I am giving you some homework. Arrange the names of these games in alphabetical order. Hockey, football, cricket and badminton. Next, arrange the names of these characters in alphabetical order. Red Riding Hood, Cinderella, Thumbelina, Snow White and Goldilocks. And students, do your homework in good handwriting. So students, you have to do all the exercises of this chapter in your English grammar notebook in good handwriting, and you have to do worksheet also in your English grammar notebook. Now see the worksheet. First question is, write in alphabetical order the names of any four. ये जो four words दिए गए हैं उन्हें आपको alphabetical order में arrange करना है. And second one is riddles. Can you guess who am I? आपको guess करके इनके नाम लिखने हैं. First is, I am a body part that helps you to taste. Second, I am made of wood and lead. You use me to write or color. And the last one is, I shine in the sky and give you heat and light. So students, आपको नोट्स और वर्कशीट्स स्कूल पर प्रोवाइड कराए जा रहे हैं. आपको स्कूल पर आकर के नोट्स एंड वर्कशीट्स को कलेक्ट करना है और उसके बाद अपने नोटबुक्स में राइट करने हैं. थैंक यू.